Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of watercress. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. In a world rife with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Relax, don't stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current information. Watercress is a nutritional powerhouse. Renowned for its peppery taste and adaptability, it ranks as one of the most nutrient-rich vegetables and offers many health benefits, confirmed by science. It ranks one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables in terms of calories. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, along with antioxidants. A small portion of watercress provides a broad spectrum of nutrients while contributing a few calories. Abundant in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, crucial in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and lead to oxidative stress. A diet high in antioxidants is linked to a lower risk of chronic conditions, including heart disease, various cancers, and diabetes. Watercress contains glucosinolates, which transform into isothiocyanates upon consumption. These isothiocyanates are known to exhibit anti-cancer properties, such as shielding cells from DNA damage, encouraging apoptosis, programmed cell death, and inhibiting tumor growth. Watercress contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as vitamin C and isothiocyanates that help reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to cardiovascular disease, and a diet that includes anti-inflammatory foods like watercress can support heart health. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and essential minerals that aid in blood pressure regulation through the relaxation of blood vessels and the balance of sodium levels. A diet high in potassium has a lower likelihood of developing high blood pressure, thereby diminishing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. When glucosinolate compounds are transformed into isothiocyanates, they suppress enzymes that activate carcinogens and promote enzymes that detoxify carcinogenic substances. Research indicates the consumption of cruciferous vegetables with a lower risk of developing lung, colorectal, and breast cancers. Watercress is rich in chlorophyll, which aids in binding and removing carcinogens from the body. Foods high in chlorophyll may be especially advantageous for individuals exposed to environmental pollutants or toxins, since chlorophyll can attach to these substances and assist in their expulsion. Abundant in vitamin K, crucial for bone health. This nutrient enhances calcium absorption and plays a key role in the regulation of bone formation and repair, thus greatly lowering the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 1 cup of watercress provides more than the daily recommended intake of vitamin K. Calcium and magnesium, also found in watercress, are essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Together, these minerals work to protect bone integrity and support long-term bone health, particularly in older adults. A single serving of watercress provides over 30% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant known to enhance immune function by supporting the production and function of white blood cells. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant to protect immune cells from damage. Studies have shown that certain compounds in watercress, such as isothiocyanates, have antimicrobial properties that can help protect against bacterial infections and even some viruses. This contributes to the plant's effectiveness in bolstering immune defenses. Rich in carotenoids. Watercress contains lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that are essential for eye health. These compounds help protect the retina from damage caused by blue light and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Vitamin A for vision. Watercress is also high in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A supports the maintenance of corneal health and promotes proper function of the retina, helping improve night vision and reducing the risk of vision loss as we age. Promotes collagen production. Vitamin C in watercress supports collagen synthesis, which is essential for skin elasticity, smoothness, and repair. Regular intake of vitamin C can help slow signs of aging by supporting skin hydration and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Antioxidants for skin protection. The antioxidants in watercress, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, protect skin cells from UV and environmental damage, reducing the risk of sunburn and skin cancer. Food high in antioxidants can improve skin tone and reduce the appearance of age spots. Watercress is low-calorie, high-fiber, and water-rich, making it a perfect addition to a diet for those looking to maintain or lose weight. The fiber content helps increase satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Watercress provides essential nutrients like B vitamins and iron, which are involved in energy production and metabolism. These nutrients support optimal cellular function and help sustain energy levels, which is essential when managing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Watercress is a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health by facilitating regular bowel movements, reducing constipation, and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is critical for overall health, including improved immune function and mood regulation. Watercress contains phytochemicals that support liver function, helping the body eliminate toxins. The glucosinolates and chlorophyll in watercress aid in liver detoxification by activating enzymes that process and remove toxins from the body, supporting overall digestive health. Antioxidants in watercress, like vitamin C and carotenoids, protect brain cells from oxidative damage, linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. A diet high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and other age-related cognitive conditions. Watercress provides folate, which has been associated with improved mental health and reduced risk of depression. Folate is involved in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, and its deficiency has been linked to mood disorders. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the Benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.